today I'm going to show you how to get a super sleek high pony with, I have a sew-in in the back part, but the problem is when you do a high pony and your hair is not as long as the sew-in, what do? And so instead of wrapping the tracks around your ponytail, I'm going to show you how to do another method that makes your ponytail look sleek and still flat, but then you also get the length from your extensions. So we're going to use clip-ins instead of sewing. So the good thing about this is, okay, my hair, I sewed my hair in from the bottom back here to a little bit over halfway. And if I want to do like a middle part and add clip-ins in on the sides, I can. Or if I want to wear my hair this way or this way, it's good. So if you don't have any tracks like sewed in the top, it's very versatile and you can do a lot of different things. So today I'm going to show you how to do the high pony. So I got my clip-ins from Sally's. It's from the Euro Nets collection and they're 14 inches and it comes with 10 pieces inside. But I'm going to use 2 pieces that have these 3 clips. So 2 of those pieces and then these 3 pieces, and they only have 1 clip. And then I have 3 of those that I'm going to use. So first thing first, we need to part the hair. So you want to part it to where a thin layer of the hair covers the track from the part that you sewed in the back. So I'm just going to go across and part a thin layer. Because you don't want any of your tracks showing. At least I don't. And then after you do that, you can just clip this. You can use some alligator clips or whatever. And just clip that forward. And then brush the rest of your hair back. And you can just like pull it into a pony until you need it again. So I'm just going to pull this part back into a ponytail. Okay. So now I'm going to part another thin layer. Probably thinner than that. Who's texting us, y'all? I don't even know who it is. Like, probably my sister or my mama or Ree. Okay, let's see who's texting us. My mommy. Okay. She thought I hung up on her, but really my phone just went dead. And I had to put it on a charger. And that's what she said. She said, you hung up? Like, no, girl. I'm gonna hang up on you. Okay, so first you take the one that has the 3 clips. Go ahead and pop those clips open. And then you're just gonna clip it on that hair that you just parted. And if you clip it and it hurts, go ahead and take it out and then re-clip it because it shouldn't hurt. And once you get that ponytail in and it hurts, you're not going to want to take it down. So you might as well just go ahead and fix it if it's a part that hurts, like while you can. So then I parted another thin layer and then we're going to go in with these 3 little pieces and just clip those in. Wow. And one more. Ow. See? That hurts. unclip it, and then I'll just re-clip it to where it doesn't hurt. Okay. And then you're gonna part one more layer and make sure they're flat because you want your ponytail to be flat. So if you see something sticking up, like just clip it until it gets flat. We'll part one more layer, and then we're gonna go in with the one that has 3 clips. Okay, so that's clipped in. And they should be flat to your head. You see how flat that is? After you do that, you're gonna brush your hair back. And then you can go in with, I go in with the Eco Style Gel, or you can go in with jam, some oil, whatever slicks your hair, your edges, that's what you wanna use. So, I'm gonna use this jam. I like jam because it really, like those little flyaway pieces, it really gets those good. And then I like the Eco Style Gel on the edges. But I like the jam up here because it just makes it flat and shiny. And then we're gonna get a little bit of Eco. And I'm using the olive oil one. And it's alcohol free, so I like Eco Style Gel because it doesn't really dry your hair out. And we're just gonna put those on the edges. And then you need a bristle brush. Okay, you know how you have the bristle brushes that are like really hard, and then you have some that are soft? Use the soft one because it really makes the ponytail slick more so than the one that's like hard. And pick up all your little pieces that you want to be in a ponytail. And then we're just gonna slick the hair up. Okay. I'm gonna slick it up over here. And then get one of the black bows. And I love this method because you don't have to bobby pin tracks around it and then, like, you know, put hair over it so that you can't see the track. It's just seamless. It looks like it's coming from your scalp, and they're just gonna be able to see the bow. And that's it. Like, you don't have to worry about anything else. So that's the good thing. So this is your pony. And then do it like that. Let the back out. And then you can curl it. You can go in and curl it more. Mine's already kind of curled. You can go in and curl it more or whatever you want to do. And that's that. And then, or you can put, you can do a bun if you want to do a bun. Like, if you want to do a bun, if your hair is long enough, you can use your own hair. But if not, after you do the pony, you can literally just twirl this around and get you like a good bun. And then you can just use another hair tie. And then, you know, you gotta do like the little messy bun. So get it however you want it. I don't like that little piece sticking out, but we gonna rock with it. So it's whatever you like, but that's just another way to get a flat surface without having to do a frontal. You can take this out at night, sleep comfortably. You don't have to worry about all that. And it's just flat, like, and it's very versatile. So you can wear your sew-in any way you want to wear it. You can wear it to the left side, right side, middle, bun, no bun, ponytail, whatever. So So as you can see right here, you cannot tell that I have clip-ins in the top of that. And then the ponytail is just a long pony. So, I mean, you can't go wrong with it. It's like a win-win. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you have suggestions or questions, please leave them below. I'll try to do a video every single week for you guys, and I'm gonna do more hair and makeup tutorials. So